best tour ever!
News alert, the Croatia and Greece tour is now open.
I'm gonna get me a nice Greek man on this trip.
What is going on?
It's a private tour to Croatia and Greece. 14 days of simple paradise and good food, so we are all going to book our spot before it sells out. I quit. I'm going to Croatia.
You guys have to join right now before it sells out.
Experience an unforgettable journey through Croatia and Greece, where history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes come to life. We'll wander ancient streets, sail turquoise waters, and taste the stories these places have been telling for centuries.
Ride the cable car for sweeping views, then walk the ancient walls at sunset. Join me. A journey through Croatia and Greece awaits. History, food, landscapes, unforgettable.
I don't know. What do you think?
We are going. Book it now.
Do these make me look fat?
No, honey, you look just like an Italian model.
Obi-Wan never told you the truth.
Yes, he did. You booked Croatia and Greece. No spot for me.
Viva Dubrovnik! 14 days.
June 18th to July 1st, 2026.
Small group private tour. Go to vafeltre.com to book your spot.